How to hide members in Telegram channels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to hide members in Telegram channel. If you're tired of unwanted visibility for your channel members, you're in the right place. So let's jump right in without any further delay. First, open a Telegram app and then click on the channel and then search for the profile icon on the top right, tap on it and then scroll down and find the administrators option. Tap on it and then click on add admin. In the search bar, type member hider. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. After tapping on it, you'll see an interface like this. So what you have to do is toggle off manage live streams. And once you've done that, click on done. Now if you select any member you want to hide, just click on the name. They will be hidden from the channel. However, since I'm the only member in this channel, I cannot do it. But now you can successfully hide it whenever you want. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.